Okay, the two minor scales that we're working with, the Aeolian and the Dorian. I'm calling them scales, they're modes as well, scales, modes, whatever. This happens to be the two modes of the major scale. The Aeolian, which is based on the sixth step, which is the natural minor scale within a key, and the Dorian scale, which is generated by the second step of the key. Okay. For example, if you're in the key of C, D minor is Dorian. So if you play a C scale from D to D, okay, then you're going to get a Dorian scale. If you play a C scale from A to A, then you're going to get the natural minor scale, the Aeolian. Okay, so first of all, I think it's important to put your second finger on the A on the low string to actually see the major scale of A as well, so that you can see the minor, the things that make a minor scale. You can see them in relation to your diatonic A scale. So if you look at generally A natural, so the key of A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so in a minor scale, basically you are altering two steps of the scale, the third and the seventh. Okay, so in the major scale, we've got the major third. In the minor scale, we have a minor third, and that is both Aeolian and Dorian. In the major scale, we have a major seven. In this case, G sharp A, the leading note. In a minor scale, both Aeolian and Dorian, the seventh step is flattened. So it's one tone down from the root. In this case, G, A. Okay? So, when you're playing your minor scale, definitely think numbers. So, let's put your first finger on the first finger on the A note on the low E string. Okay, now we're going to play the Aeolian natural minor. So basically we're playing a C scale from A to A, from this low A to this high A. Okay? So note the various scale steps. And then I'll talk about them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, I'm going to go up another octave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A. So, you notice that in this scale I have an F. This is part of a C scale. This is the sixth step of the A minor scale. It's the sixth step of A, regardless of whether it's major or minor. F is the sixth step. Whether it's F sharp or F natural, any kind of F is the sixth step in relation to A. So, here it is. Natural minor, flattened sixth step. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, flattened sixth step. 7, 1. And you can go up to the 2 and the flattened 3 here before you can go out of position. So I'm going to do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is natural minor scale, Aeolian. Here is a Dorian. So the difference between Aeolian, which is the natural minor scale, with one generated diatonically, the Aeolian, or the Dorian scale rather, is generated when the chord in question is in the Dorian position of a key. And that's the scale we play. So, in the key of G, A minor is in the Dorian position. If you're in the key of G, A minor is the second step of the scale, which is the Dorian position. So basically, when you're playing A minor Dorian, you're playing a G scale from A to A. That is more of a jazz minor scale, which has the what we call the natural sixth step of the scale. So it's the sixth step of the scale that would normally occur diatonically in A. So F sharp in relation to A. So first finger. Now we're going to play the Dorian scale from the bottom to the top. Okay, so first finger on A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now jump up to the D string for the F sharp. For the 6 of the scale. Flat 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to the next string. 5, 6. There's the sixth step. 7, 1. And then 2, 3. When I'm playing that scale, I go all the way down to the 7 because, you know, I always like to play one step below, which is normally the 7. So why not play it? Okay, so there's your difference between the Dorian and the Aeolian. But you know what? When you're first practicing this, just play this A major chord and take a look at the stack of where things are in relation to each other. And then play the minor chord, look at where the scales are in relation to the major. Look where the major third is in relation to the minor third. Look where the flattened 7 is in relation to the major 7. Okay? Just note those things. Look at where the sixth step is in relation to the root. Here's A, here's the flattened sixth step, here's the natural sixth step, or the Dorian sixth step. So make a note of where they are in relation to each other, and that way you can use them more successfully when you're improvising. Okay, that's it.